Hello, my name is Dave Rowland, President and CEO of the Oklahoma Manufacturing Alliance. I'm here again this week to share more important business-related information for manufacturers. We're so proud of all the Oklahoma companies that have stepped up to help with the COVID-19 response. You're making a difference, and your work is being noticed around the state. As we begin to see a few promising signs that we're turning the corner from lockdown to recovery mode, I want to begin focusing on how your company can be in the best possible shape for future business. First, it's time to begin planning now so you're already moving forward when the economy opens back up. The most successful companies increase their investment in technology and automation during and coming out of downturns. That may seem counterintuitive, but there's a simple explanation. As revenue falls, labor becomes more expensive. At that same time, technology becomes cheaper as general demand softens. So the best companies use downturns to take advantage of lower costs for new technology, and they find good talent to implement it so they can become more competitive. These companies accelerate their way out of downturns and take advantage of slower companies' inertia. So we can help you be one of the smart companies. Our trusted experts can look at your business model and help see how you can improve by using technology and attracting good workers. The most prepared organizations will make the strongest starts. Second, don't fall back into old habits. Once we get past the COVID crisis, it will be tempting to go back to business as usual. But to come out of this successfully, you have to do the opposite and embrace new supply chain strategies. During this pandemic, most manufacturers have been forced to become more innovative and flexible. We've helped dozens of companies respond quickly with a tightened supply chain. As we emerge from this disruption, it's time for your business to do the same, and we are here to help. Our extension agents are ready to help you take those next steps to prepare your company for this new supply chain future. Contact assistance at okalliance.com to talk with one of our extension agents today. And finally, we know many people are looking for work for the first time in a very long time. That's why, in partnership with Oklahoma Works, Goodwill Industries of Central Oklahoma, and Toro Company, OMA is hosting a series of webinars to assist displaced workers with resume help, job search tips, and career advice. The first virtual workshop, Resume Bootcamp, is set for this Friday, April 24th from 10 to 11 a.m. It will be led by our own Sharon Harrison and features several speakers offering helpful tips for workers. If you'd like to join in the webinar, send an email to Sharon Harrison at sharon.harrison@okalliance.com to enroll. The next webinar in the series, How Can I Prepare and Succeed in a Virtual Interview, is scheduled for May 1st. As always, our number one focus is helping you succeed. We hope this information is helpful, and we're here to answer any of your questions and help you find the resources you need. Thanks again for your time and for everything you're doing for Oklahoma and our industry. Take care, and we'll talk to you soon.